The Spigen Ultra Hybrid is the best clear case I've ever tested. It's just the right balance of thickness and protection, and it strikes an excellent balance between showcasing your phone and keeping it safe. The 01 MagFit edition particularly stands out, with its unique design featuring printed internals of the S25 Ultra on the back. The case's construction is thoughtfully engineered, combining rigid polycarbonate backing with TPU bumpers for robust drop protection. While it's not the slimmest case available, it maintains a comfortable feel in hand and provides significantly better grip than the bare phone. The raised lip around the screen offers reliable protection, while the subtle corner elevations on the back cleverly protect the camera array without requiring a bulky camera ring. The real star feature this year is the case's Qi 2 certified magnet array, ensuring you'll always get maximum wireless charging speeds. This addition makes it a particularly compelling option for users invested in the magnetic accessory ecosystem. The printed internal design of the 01 edition adds a unique aesthetic touch that sets it apart from standard clear cases. The only minor quibble might be that it's not the absolute slimmest case available, but this is a reasonable trade-off for the level of protection it provides. For anyone wanting to show off their S25 Ultra while keeping it well protected, this case is an easy recommendation.